Hey guys, what is up? It's Brendan here, aka Brembo, bringing you guys another video. Today's gonna be a really good video. I have some more carbon fiber for the GTR. It's a very small piece, just something to add to the car to make it look a little bit more race car, I could say. This carbon fiber piece is from Carismo Designs. I'll drop the Instagram tag right here and also put it in the description of the video. But let's unbox this. I already took off the tape. I'm gonna do this one-handed. And oof. This thing is real nice. This is for the center of the steering wheel. I already have the carbon fiber steering wheel, so this will finish it all off. It says 3M tape to stick it on, so it should only take a couple minutes. So it looks like to install this centerpiece, I'm gonna have to remove the airbag, which is completely fine. I've done this before. It's just 2 bolts, one on each side, and it just pops out. So I'm gonna get that off, and then I can install the new piece on. If you guys want a more detailed description of how to take out the airbag, check out my carbon fiber steering wheel installation video. I'll put it at the top of this video. And bam, there she is. It looks so nice. It's the same weave as the steering wheel. If you guys didn't see the steering wheel installation, it's from the same company. It just looks amazing. It transforms the whole interior of the car. More carbon is on the way for the interior. I've been waiting for this piece for a very long time. It just makes the whole steering wheel with the silver in it before. It kind of stood out with the black edition GTRs and the newer ones. That trim comes in black, so it blends in a little bit better. But on this car, it was silver, and it just really was kind of like a sore thumb. But I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while, guys. Winter's pretty slow here. I can't drive the car. I put insurance on it tomorrow, so you guys will see a lot of point of views, car meets when those come eventually after quarantine, and then also driving videos, which I'm super excited to make. But just winter just sucks in Michigan because I can't record anything. I'm just driving my daily, which is my Saturn Aura. And yeah, there's just not much to do, so I always feel bad not posting on YouTube. But I post a lot on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put it right here. And then on TikTok, I live stream like every day now that I've been in quarantine. And I post like 4 times a day about the GTR and also the Lamborghini. So I'll put the TikTok right here. Super active on TikTok. We're going really fast. As of right now, we're at about 85,000 followers. So that's just amazing. It's growing like crazy. But I have more modifications to come. It's just during quarantine, I'm trying to save my money in case the worst happens. I know a lot of people are getting all these stimulus checks and they're just blowing it. But I advise to just keep it, be safe for right now, and then once it's over, you can buy what you want. But even though I had to remove the airbag, it still took about only 5 minutes to install this because it's just 2 bolts, like I said, holding the airbag on. Pop it out, put the trim piece on, and then put the airbag back on. It's really easy. But that will kind of do it for today's video, guys. It was really short, but at least I'm putting something out there for you guys. I have side skirts, spoiler, and other parts in the future coming for this car for sure. And if you guys didn't know, I'm going to wide body this car like next year, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be epic. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.